This is amazing. I'm excited. What have I gotten myself into?
1 minute left. Game time.
Season 2 of The Great American Recipe is going to be like no season you've ever seen before of any competition show.
We have a completely new cast, and I am so excited to get to know them.
We want to know the stories. We want to understand your heritage.
This is what my ancestors have been eating for thousands of years.
It's less about who's the best cook and more about getting them to really convey their culture and their traditions through their food.
I like to incorporate Guyanese cuisine and create something on my own.
When I get to taste the food of home cooks, it is much more genuine. They're doing things that are true to them.
My style of cooking stems from my Greek heritage.
My job here is to teach and to judge, but I'm learning so much.
I think one thing that sets the Great American Recipe apart is that while it is a competition, everyone really wants to see each other succeed.
You gotta try this tzatziki.
Oh, it's really good.
I love passion fruit. That butter is everything, all the things. Oh my God.
They become a family while they're here.
They're so supportive of each other that they're making each other better.
We're giving these incredible cooks a platform to share who they are and where they're from. And I hope that all of America falls in love with each and every one of them.